So what you want to include in a why this college essay is essentially your understanding of what makes that college special. You need to do some research in order to understand, what makes a particular college special. I usually recommend to students to go and look at the 300 and 400 level courses for their particular major that they're applying for, and then look at those courses and understand what is the unique offering of that college. And what you want to do is include that within your why this college essay, because really what you're telling that college is, hey, I can't get this education anywhere else. And I did my research and I studied and I figured out that your college will be a good fit for me for XYZ reason. And you're going to, explain to them that you took the time to understand what's on offer and explain, how those courses will actually help you reach your goal. So I guess that's one other component is, making sure that when you write that why college essay, you need to tell them where you're going and how the courses and opportunities offered at the university will help you reach your specific goal.